regardless of where you start in the industry, I'll tell you this, whether it be pulling cable or at a distribution partner, if you will, the industry is fantastic, and it really is a career. But the nice thing about the industry, it's so diversified. There's so much you can do out there within this industry. Design, build, and manufacturer representative, and working direct for a manufacturer, working for a reseller, distributor. There's just so much. I mean, the list just keeps going and going. Such a spread out industry, diverse industry, if you will. You really can't make a career out of it. And I mean, look at me, the picture of health at my age, and I'm 34 years old. That was just a joke. I'm 35, but nonetheless, is that it's a fantastic industry, and I encourage anybody out there that is on the fence one way or the other. This is an industry you can really count on. This is something that people need. So anyway, that's my advice.